And then now I received some new information on some additional PPEs for 2025. So I just attached the CSV into the chatbot here, and then I'm asking it to, can you add these additions at the end of the depreciation schedule around row 66 and expand the PPE summary, 2025 PPE summary sheets to reflect these additions. You can put the CSV as an additional source tab and link to it. So now it is reading my CSV and thinking how to add that into the workbook. So here we're seeing a to-do list of 5 tasks. First, you need to create a new sheet for the additions. Second, you need to add the 5 new additions into the depreciation schedule at row 66, right? And then it needs to update the summary sheet and then format and verify. So now you see this addition source here that you just pulled from my CSV for these 5 new additional assets. And now it is looking at the column A to E structure here and the depreciation schedule and trying to add the new rows for my new additions in 2025. So you see now, here we have added 5 assets for the 2025 additions. And now it is verifying whether it has the correct formulas. And then it's checking the total row to see if it needs to be updated. After it has finished the checking, now it is updating the PPE summary sheet to include this, right? So if you see this sum, it is summing to row 70 and it is correct. And then here is adding the 5 new rows down below, and it is linking to the depreciation schedule, right? And then now it is formatting the new entries consistently with the existing data. So now you should see the formula has been changed. So the formatting has been changed and to align with the same number formatting here. And then now we're formatting this tab, source tab, for the accounting format here, the costs. And then now in the summary, it is doing a green font for the external references to other tabs. This is saved in my memory here because I prefer all my external linkings to be green. So now you see the newly added ones are linking as green for my additional references here. So now, after all this formatting, it is doing the final verification of whether our formula linkings are right. While the AI is checking, we can check it as well. So we see that the costs are linking correctly to the depreciation schedule, and the depreciation schedule is linking to the source as I requested. And we see that the previous year's depreciation is 0, correct? And then the current year depreciation is linking to column K, here, and hide, JK here, and hide. Oh, sorry, it's here, and hide. So like here, if you see, this is the new formulas we have for the 2025 spaces and the 2025's depreciation here. Great, and now this task is done. So these kind of tasks used to take me a long time to do the manual entries, especially when I receive a PDF PPE report, and then now I can just ask TabAI to do it.